Guys, another update no, si Microsoft po ay mag-a-unveil ng bagong AI chip called MAIA 300 this September. And that's also the reason why kung bakit ang lala ng angat ng prices ng Microsoft stock na right now. And ayan po ang current prices ng Microsoft stock ngayon, nasa $505 per isa, no? And makikita mo rin guys na more than halos 30% na guys ang angat netong US stock na to. And ayan, makikita mo naman guys, no, dito sa positions ko na more than 25% na rin yung angat natin alongside with SpaceX, Nvidia, Amazon, and even, syempre, the holy grail, no, S&P 500 ETF, which is lahat na nakikita nyo individual stocks dito ay nandito na rin sa loob ng S&P 500 ETF, guys. And makikita mo rin dito na hindi mo kailangan magkaroon ng isang share para makabili ka ng isang Microsoft stock. You can buy Microsoft or Amazon for as low as 500 pesos, 1,000, even 3,000 pesos. It's up to you guys, no? Again, ang tawag po dito is fractionalized trading. So, again, if you want to learn more about US stocks, huwag nyo kalimutan, panoorin nyo lang mga videos ko para ibig sabihin may natututunan kayo. Yun lang, and see you on the next one.